No brokerage fees ever. This was the first thing that brought Stake to my attention, but was it too good to be true? Today we're going to answer the question of what does it really cost to trade with Stake? And how can one simple tip minimize the amount of fees that I pay? And rather than having to figure it out yourself by reading through a website or taking someone else's word for it, we're going to go through step by step from sending the money to Stake, funding my account in the US, and then purchasing a stock. Now, before we jump into it, I just wanted to let you all know that this video is in no way sponsored or promoted by Stake themselves, but just throwing it out there, there is a particular promotion they have going at the moment. So if you did hypothetically want to use Stake, there may be a referral code down in the description. No, but seriously guys, I have honestly found Stake be the perfect fit for the type of investing that I like to do. And if after your own research and your own due diligence, you find out that Stake can be a good fit for your goals and needs as an investor, then feel free to use that referral code. Now, full transparency, by you using that referral code and getting yourself the free stock, it also gives myself a free stock as well. I really appreciate the transparency with this sort of thing when I'm watching other YouTubers, so I thought it would only be fair to tell you exactly what's going on in this case as well. But that's enough of that. Let's jump into it. Okay, so as you can see here, we're currently on the dashboard of one of my accounts. As I said, we're going to go through step by step from the beginning until the end, encompassing all of the fees, everything that's involved in funding your brokerage account and then purchasing a stock. So you start by clicking on the profile button, which is a little icon of a person. You can then click funds and balance. As you can see here, I currently have all of my funds in the market at the moment, which is why I've got the 0 buying power. However, to add funds, you just click on the green add funds button. You're then able to choose the amount of Australian dollars you would like to transfer over. So as you can see, I'm going to put in $300. And this is where the first fee minimization tip comes in. Now, what you'll find, because Stake don't have any brokerage fees, they impose a Forex fee when you transfer your Australian dollars to the US. So as you can see here, they impose 70 US cents for every 100 Australian dollars you transfer over. Now, the reason that I've done $300 is that what you'll find is if you try to do, say, $200 or $100, they won't charge you the standard 70 cents because there's a minimum of $2. So effectively, by only transferring over $200, you would actually be paying more than 70 cents for every 100 Australian dollars. So by upping the amount to at least $300, you're ensuring that you're only paying the advertised amount on their website. You'll also be given the option for a funding method, and if you select debit or credit card, you actually get paid fees as well. So by selecting online banking Poly, you don't have to pay any of those fees. The other thing you get to optimize is the funding speed, and if you do Express, again, you pay a fee, but if you do regular, no fees. So that's the one I'm going with. And as you can see here in the transaction details, it breaks down exactly what you're doing. The only fee that we've got here is the $2.10 Forex fee and nothing else. Now, just bear in mind, the first time you fund your account, there will be a one-off $5 US account setup fee, but that is only incurred once and you don't have to do it from there on out. Now, with everything looking good, we press the next button. This will then take us to the Poly Payments webpage. You start by selecting your institution, your bank. As I'm with NAB, I then enter in my NAB ID and my online internet banking password. That then gives me access to all of the accounts that I have attached to those login details. I then select the account from within my NAB bank that I would like to withdraw the funds from. Then they'll just get you to confirm with a password, and as easy as that, your funds are in flight, and there you've got the confirmation email straight through. Just to confirm, you can then actually go back into your profile, click on the Funds and Balances tab, and if you scroll down, you'll see it just there, the funds that you have in flight. Now, before we go ahead and purchase a share, if you guys are finding this video helpful, if you could please click the like button for us. It really helps push our content to larger audiences and helps us grow that much quicker. Now fast forward to Tuesday, 1 p.m. New York time. As you can see, the exact amount of US currency has been credited to my account and I'm ready to buy shares. So you search up the share you would like to purchase. In this case, I'm going to be buying Vanguard's VOO. Click the buy button. In this case, I'm going to be selecting a market buy. Type in the amount you want. As you can see in the top left, I've got the amount of buying power I have. I'm going to be doing all of the money that I have currently available in my account. As you can see, the price of this share is actually more than what I have in my account. So if you see there, it actually shows you the estimated amount of shares I'm going to be getting from this purchase. And due to Stake offering fractional shares, although I don't have the amount for a full share, I can still buy it at the exact dollar amount I would like, and they'll give me the respective portion of a share that equals. Okay, now you just get to review your order and click buy. And as quick as that, the order has been fulfilled and I've got the share now in my account. And it's as simple as that. I really hope you guys found this quick, easy video helpful, because I know this was something I would have really found valuable when I was looking into Stake initially. If you have any other questions about what it's like to actually be a Stake customer, any questions about my investing strategy, please leave them in the comment section below. We get to every single comment, so we're sure to reply. Finally, if any of you guys were interested in content just like this, definitely hit the subscribe button and click that bell so you know when we have a new upload. Alan and I have our own startups and we make videos about trying to grow our businesses. Not only that, but we also cover personal finance videos as well. So hopefully you'll stick around, and if so, we'll see you in the next one.